I thank the Honorable Chief Minister, I thank the party president, Mr. Damunaik, and all the Karyakarta who has been here with us today, who has supported us to win this.
How about the Panjim also? Because they're leaving around 2 seats.
See, that's the reason I said no. I didn't expect that basically to lose this three seats. It's really disappointed.
And about
2 votes and 10 votes.
There's a really disappointment for me.
Babu Shah, Congress
It's just that my prediction has not come true.
Congress Aam Aadmi Party
That is the reason your MP came and danced in our constituency. Still, it did not matter. So it shows how strong the BJP party is and how strong our Karyakarta of Panjim is. It was basically mixed match. You understand? It was the balancing of old and the new came together.
बाबू सुरेंद्र आम्हाला पॉसिबल ना म्हणटाले सो तुम्ही थिंका उडयले
तुम्ही giant killer.
See, no one should take voters for granted. No one should think that I am the king. No one is the king. It is people are the king.
The supporters say you are the king.
No, I am not the king. The party, I am thankful to the party for the party has allowed me to lead this panel. It is I am grateful to the party.
So Babu sir, how do you see the mayor seat winning?
The mayor, that party will decide.
Babu Smansarat! Zindabad! Babu Smansarat! Zindabad! Babu Smansarat! Zindabad! Zindabad! Babu Smansarat! Zindabad! Zindabad!
I thank the party. That's what I say. I thank the party for giving me the opportunity to lead this panel. Okay? Honorable Chief Minister and our party president has given me the full backing and supported me throughout as far as the campaigning is concerned. So I am thankful to the party. I owe this win to the party.
How do you see Kabir winning against Suren?
As I said, no candidate should ever think that they are above the people. You understand? It is the people who are supreme. And people has shown basically their displeasure against the candidate who have lost.
Even we were listening people were unhappy or something like that. That's why there was head-on fight between y'all and other panel. So
now what I am trying to say, all these parties, Congress party, the AAP party and all the other parties came basically together to defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party. But still Bharatiya Janata Party is so strong. Coming together, all these forces also could not defeat the party.
But it was about BJP or Babush?
No,
what do you think?
It is about the party. Where am I? I am in the party. It is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party panel.
Okay. Who is the face of mayor now?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mari. Thank you, Mari.
Babush.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks for all the support. Anda, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for everything. Thanks a lot for everything. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sure. Thank you very much. I thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sir, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, Maria. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for all your support. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So much for all your Thank you very much.
आमच्या बरोबर असा बाबूश मोन्सेरात. बाबूश सर, तुम्ही ही व्यक्ती
Victory belongs to the BJP party. It is a panel's victory and it is a party's victory. I am thankful to the party for giving me basically the opportunity to lead this panel.
बरोबर सर, तुम्ही पळयतात सगळे चडशे ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज एकठांय येवन हांगासर कॅम्पेन केल्ले
तेन्ना देखून तुमकां सांगता न्हू, सगळे ऑपोजिशन पार्टी एकठांय येयले. They wanted to basically try to see, which clearly shows their weakness to come together.